Hi guys, welcome to new video. Very interesting video. If someone choke you from behind, then how to defend yourself? Guys, if he is twice as strong as you, then how are you supposed to defend yourself? So let's start the video and don't miss any part of this video. If he is choke you from behind, here you can't do any move. If you are bent down, your neck can be break. And you can't move the other side because he is much stronger than you. In this condition, you have one option. You have to push your chin towards his arm hardly with full pressure of your body jerk. Step number 2, grab his arm with your both hands like this from here. If he strangles you more strong, then what should you do quickly? Now step number 3, keep your leg in this position behind of his knee. Then you have to place your knee inside his knee like this. If you are pushing and he is not falling down, then here you have to use your full body force and push him backward like this. Guys, hope you like this technique. If you want to learn this trick, you have to practice it about 40 to 50 times a day. But you have to tell your partner not to hold so tightly because it can be hard for you and your neck can be injured. Thank you for watching.